You happy? What are you doing? Hey, come here. Come here. So quiet out here. Living his best life. That's what it's all about. Right, Magnus? Right? It's all about you? Living your best life. It's like whatever. No. There's a deer. I don't know if I can get it. Oh. He just spooked a young deer. Magnus, come on. Come. Good boy. I know, what the heck, huh? Wow, I don't know where it went. Oh, it was cute though. Damn. Good boy, Magnus. Let's go back the other way, huh? Hey, this way. This way. I don't want to spook anymore. Go, this way. Some crazy things happening in these woods lately. It's almost like I need a GoPro to catch every single thing that happens. But I gotta like watch where I'm going, watch where the dog's going. Look for critters I don't want to step on. Magnus, no. There's a stick. Make sure. I hear something. Magnus, it's a bird. If anyone wants to sponsor a GoPro for me to document me and Magnus's adventures. Well, really just his adventures. What are you doing? Come on, gather. You don't need to be putting your nose in holes. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Come on. I wonder where that deer went. If he cares where I'm at. He's back there somewhere. There you are. out of curiosity, how many people would watch just straight up raw vlogs, me and the dog going to different trails, different places? I mean, I know a lot of people watch his videos anyway, but do we like this? Do we like the vlogs? I'm not the best video editor, so they're easy. And I like them as kind of like a diaries of sorts. Keep forever. I don't know. Let me know if you like these. Also, let me know if there's anything you actually want me to talk about. Like about the magnets, about dogs in general. Anything. Give me ideas. Come on, bro. Come on. Let's go. Now find our way back to the car. Come on. After you. Aw. The raccoon there appears to be dead. No, he did not kill it. But come on. He did find it though. That's sad. It must be one of the raccoons we saw last time. Oh well. It is nature. Go ahead. I wonder what killed it though. Or if it just died. That's interesting. Maybe it ate something bad. Poor baby. Magnus, where are you going? I'm going this way, bud. You gonna come with me? Yeah, get on this trail. There you go. No, we're going this way. Thank you. I know, you like adventure. Always up for adventure. Back to the water. To the truck, didn't we, bud? Hey, was that fun? Agnes, are you happy? You're hot. Yeah. Yeah, happy, tired. Oh. Good boy, ready to go home and get some lunch. Yeah,